headed to?
I don't answer questions.
Huh?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. The reason I'm stopping you is for speeding back yonder and continuing to go. If you're not answering questions, I'm assuming you're not going to tell me whether you still live on Goodman Street or not.
I don't answer questions.
Can I ask why you don't ask questions? Answer questions?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions. Okay. Then I'll take the appropriate time to do what I need to do.
What you got to do?
Here's your insurance card and registration, Mr. Strickland. I know you're not going to answer me, but it's my duty to ask. Do you have a phone number?
I'm not going to give answer any questions.
This is for speeding. 55 and 45, the speed limit dropped down to 45. You were still continuing at 55 miles an hour. Court date will be on 12/11/2019 at 1:30 in Division 3. Should you wish to appear, if you would sign for me by the X, please, Mr. Strickland. Thank you, sir. If you have any questions, sir, you can refer to this phone number right here or email it to that address right there, mailing instructions, okay? Here's your driver's license back, Mr. Strickland. Here's your ticket. Have a nice day, sir.